You have hit a tree in your local campground and you have damage now to your roof. What do you do? There's a lot of different things to do depending on what you have on your current roof. First thing you want to do is make sure you get up there and stop any kind of water intrusion, because you don't want that extra repair bill. This week in the shop, we had one came in that they had run into a tree. So we're going to go over and show you what FlexArmor does if you ever run into any kind of non-moving object and cause roof damage. So here we go. This particular camper, the original FlexArmor roof, was applied at the location in Arizona. And on their travels, these people ran into a very large, low-hanging branch. The owner was upset. Said his first time ever. He usually worries about that a lot. Here they actually had done so much damage to the sewer fixture, they cut it flush with the roof and just did that to stop any water intrusion. Because if you ever hit anything, that's the first thing you want to do, is make sure you're not opening it up for more water damage. The FlexArmor itself is all in one piece. There was no holes, no nicks, no damage. Everything was cosmetic as far as the FlexArmor material. It was just the white UV top coat that was damaged. They had a small place on the skylight that had kind of popped loose, so they put in some caulking to make sure it didn't leak while they were traveling. It was still bonded down on the flange and such, so they would have been lucky. They said it actually pushed the skylight down into the opening. So it was pretty substantial. They said they tore off both vent covers, AC shroud, or needed a whole new AC, and also tore off the refrigerator cover. So it was a pretty extensive. Here you can see the brackets were twisted. But everything else looks pretty good. And they pretty much caught it from the front corner of this fifth wheel and went all the way back. Here's a little close-up of some of the initial impact. As you can see, the white UV top coat is cosmetically damaged, but the FlexArmor underneath is still all intact and in one piece. When they ripped off the vent covers, it actually twisted the brackets. So we decided while looking at this that we would go ahead and respray the sides of all the vents, just in case with that kind of impact anything had broke loose. He had already had the air conditioner repaired before he got here, and he tore off the cover of the refrigerator, but it was still all in one piece and intact, so we decided we need to do that. So this is step one. This was that sewer fixture. We map out how much of the area we want to cut out. There was a little dampness here, so he went a little bigger. And you want it to look nice. One of the major advantages to FlexArmor is it's able to bond back to itself. So we never have to replace the whole roof if you ever manage to have any kind of impact like this. This was probably the worst one we had seen yet, where they had gone all the way down the roof. Normally, if we see something, they bumped one area. So he went ahead and cut a nice square. Did that around the skylight. This customer opted for our FlexArmor skylight, so this is what it's getting prepared for. We get the areas all cut out, cleaned up. As you see, we prepped around the edges of those vents. We took all the material off the sides, re-prepped them, resituated their sewer fixture. This took it about 5 hours here. So I said it can be a little tedious to repair one, but it can be done. Here was after we sprayed it. This customer was on a time frame, so there are certain aspects that we didn't do that we can do depending on time and what the customer wants and where the repair's at. So this is our base for the skylight. New sewer fixture. We had to replace some of his pipe. Here's when we took all the paper off. We actually ended up doing this the next day. We probably had about 8 hours of work in it, but it was running a little late. So as you can see, the new top coat's of course brighter than what's 2 years old there. But it has a small raised lip. When customers are needing to get in and out,
this is what the repair is going to look like. You see the little lip. We're going to touch it up with top coat. It's fine. It's never going to separate. It's all bonded. It's one piece again. You won't have any separation. But when they're in a hurry and need to get back on the road, and when it's up top, we don't normally blend in those edges because you actually have to blend, spray, and it can take, add another day or two depending on how much area we have to cover. So here we are, totally reassembled. Said in tops, he had about 8 hours from the start to finish that they were in and out and back on the road. Reinstalled his new covers, his new skylight. Now if he does anything to his skylight, he can actually change it just with the screws up top. He doesn't have to come back to one of our applicators. There you see that still has that raised lip, and there he is. I was waiting on him to come pick it up. It's good to go and ready to hit the road again. This one is one that we did in Illinois. They had a tree fall on their camper. So it did a doozy to the side roll, and I wanted to show how when it's on the side roll and more visible from the ground, a little hard to see in these pictures, but the edges are more feathered in so that you don't have such a raised lip. So this is an option if we're able to have more time. And sometimes when we've had customers have this done, they have us redo the whole top coat. This camper here was several years, probably like 8 or 9 years old, so the top coat was much different. These repair pictures illustrate one of the greatest advantages in our book to FlexArmor. You never need a whole new roof. You're able to just have those areas dealt with if you ever have a severe enough impact or an issue. And it also, like the one I just showed you that we fixed in Illinois, it was actually originally done in Florida at Elite RV, like I said, about 8 or 9 years ago. So that's how we deal with roof impacts here at FlexArmor if you have a FlexArmor roof.
Alright, so I hope this video helps show how FlexArmor can help if you ever had any kind of impact damage to one of our roofs. And always remember, you can go to any of our applicators across the country. As you saw in this scenario, it was originally done in Arizona, and we fixed it and got them back on the road here in Florida. So have a great day and safe travels.
So if you'd like to learn more about FlexArmor and follow us, subscribe to this channel, find us on Facebook, or visit our website at rvroof.com.